How to install the VisioForge SDKs in Visual Studio. By way of example, we'll create a WPF project, install the main NuGet package, and place VideoView in the application's main window. You can add the SDK to your project via NuGet, as each VisioForge SDK is available as a separate NuGet package. Additionally, depending on the specific platform, you may need to include extra packages for deployment. VisioForge SDK for .NET can be used on various operating systems and in numerous UI frameworks, including WPF, WinForms, MAUI, Android, iOS, and Avalonia. Each platform provides its own video view, which is responsible for displaying the video. Now we will create a WinForms project and add a video view to it. Depending on the chosen UI framework, VideoView is either included in the main package for WinForms, WPF, Android, and Apple, or in additional packages for MAUI, WinUI, Avalonia, and Uno. We also recommend checking out our other tutorials to learn how to build video capture, playback, and editing applications for different platforms.